This is Bodo Thai. You come to realize that Thai names, the real legal names, are super long, bro. Yeah, they are long as hell. So everyone has a nickname. And if you ask them what's their name, they're going to tell you a nickname. You know, it can be whatever it is, man. I mean, it's a nickname. Usually it's like a funny nickname. You know, things that make you laugh, like balloon, or watermelon, or tangmo, that's watermelon, or bubblegum, or yeah. You know, funny thing is, man, I don't know, I shouldn't be talking about people. So everyone has a nickname, and don't be surprised, they're gonna give you a nickname. And that's a nickname actually being given to them by their own parents. And they didn't pick that nickname. I have my nickname. I have like 7 names, dude. I have a legal name. I have a nickname that my parents gave to me. I have a nickname that my friends gave to me. I have a name that I gave to myself. I have like 7. I'm the guy with like all different names, dude. So everyone has nickname. And funny thing is, you know, when you're in Thailand, if you go to bars, you go to a club, you meet some ladies, or you meet some whoever, you know, a waiter, waitress, or a barmaid, or oh man, I don't know, man. It's like, you know, everyone has nickname. Those people will use their own made-up nickname. So they're gonna have at least 3 to 4 names. So they're gonna have a legal name, which they're not gonna tell you. They're gonna have the real nickname that they've been given by their parents. They might tell you, but most people don't. They're not gonna give you that. They're gonna give you the made-up nickname of the nickname again. So it's like double nickname. It's just... yeah, just go along with it, dude. Okay, so at the restaurant, just say, for instance, you go out and eat, and you know, you have leftovers. And in here in the States, when you ask for a to-go box, they'll have you know, a little box with a lid or whatever thing it is that you use to bring it back for your dog, or for your cat, for your human friends. I don't know, for leftovers, right? But in Thailand, they put everything in a plastic bag. A clear plastic bag. Not like a trash bag, not like one of those Walmart bags, but their own food plastic bag, a clear, right? So they put food in there, and they can wrap it up with a rubber band. It's gonna get all puffy like that. And they're gonna put all the bags inside another big bag. And they're gonna give it to you. And you're gonna be like, what am I gonna do with it? Well, that's your to-go bag. Okay. For another thing is like, you know, not at Starbucks. Starbucks, if you go to get coffee, iced coffee, they'll give you in a cup, you know, like normal places, right? But if you go out in the country and you order, you want to drink your soda, you know, you want to order your Sprites, you know, on ice, whatever, right? But you don't want to drink it there because you just want to take it with you. They're not going to give you a bottle. They're going to put that in a bag, and they're going to put ice in it. And then they're going to tie one of the corner with a rubber band, and you can hang it on things and have a straw sticking out. So you can drink it, suck on it, hang it, carry it. You know, you can hang it on the handlebar of your moped if you want to, or a taxi. I don't know what it is, but the thing is, they'll give you in this clear plastic bag with a rubber band thing. So it's a funny thing. Anyway, there's a lot of weird things and funny stuff in Thailand, and I want you to venture out there yourself and just keep your eyes out, because a lot of things you're gonna see is gonna be weird. And you're gonna come back with tons of stories. They ask me, why is it like that, Bodo? Anyway, yeah. So everything is in a plastic bag. Thai people love bags. I don't know why. They just love plastic bags. They love straws. There's straws in everything. Plastic straws in everything, bro. I don't know. I don't think you should be using it, but I don't know what do I know? You know, I'm not gonna put my own opinions on how to run their lives or their business, man. You know, I'm just letting you know. Oh, another fun thing is that I think it's super weird, but I really think that you should try this when you're in Thailand. You're gonna see a street vendor. They sell ice cream. Most of the time, it'll be a coconut ice cream or whatever flavor, right? So what they do, I really do suggest that you try one of those because it is weird. And one time in your life, you're gonna try it and you're gonna remember it for the rest of your life. They're gonna have a scoop of coconut ice cream. They're gonna put 3 scoops of that coconut ice cream on a hot dog bun. Yeah. That's not it though. That's not it. Then they're gonna put sticky rice on it. They might put some fruit on it, whatever, right? And then they're gonna top it off with like, what do you call them? Evaporated milk. Yeah. No, seriously. Try those. Sometimes they put like the red syrup thing. It tastes weird. And it's weird. But everyone, it's a normal thing. People like that stuff. I don't eat it. But, you know, I think you should. Well, if you try it, you know, come back and let me know how it tastes. All right. And yeah, people say it's good, you know. What else, man? Thailand probably one of the country when you go to a bar and you order a beer, and they're gonna serve your beer in a glass with ice. Yeah, you heard me right. Yeah, you heard me right. They're gonna serve your beer in a glass with ice. Ice in everything, bro. Yeah. Yeah. You want a beer? Here's a glass of beer with ice. Oh, simple tricks for me, tips and tricks for me though. You know, I know you want to be safe. You want to, you know, eat things that's clean. So try to drink water from the bottle. You know, buy bottled water. Okay, but I know a lot of you guys drink soda. Okay, like Coke, Pepsi, or whatever, Sprite, or whatever nonsense you guys like. You know, one of those things, right? So if you're in Thailand and you want to buy those, make sure always make sure to use that tissue paper that I told you to carry earlier. Wipe off the top of that soda can and wipe all around the top of that soda can. Seriously, man, because the stacks of sodas been sitting there for years. There's a lot of roaches, mouse, rats, poops on it. There's a lot of nasty stuff on it. Some people even step on it to like use it as like a ladder or stool or whatever it is, man. And then people think, oh, well, it's ice cold. It must be clean. No, it ain't not. It's just dirty as yeah, dude. Anyway, wipe those off as clean as possible. Seriously, that's how you get sick. Rat poop and rat crap, you know, or roaches. You know, have you seen roaches in Thailand? They're like 3 inches long and they fly and they always land your neck. Welcome to the tropical rainforest. What else, man? Oh yeah, another thing that I had to tell you. This is serious though. I know everything is just all fun and game, but this is serious stuff. Beware when you order those sandwiches, you know, at the bakery or whatever, or you see some kids wearing a uniform selling this like sandwiches, right? And oh yeah, those sandwiches look good. I mean, you can eat them, it's fine, but you have to understand, Thai people, they don't understand how to use mayonnaise. They think once you open a jar of mayonnaise, it'll last forever, unrefrigerated. So the jar of mayonnaise is gonna be sitting out in the sun the whole time, bro, while they're making that sandwich for you. And it's gonna all warm. And then you're gonna get sick. You know, I have even seen a lot of people who get so sick, like in a hospital, and they have no idea why. I'm like, yeah, I can tell you why. You just ate that sandwich. Before you ate the sandwich, you heat up the sandwich in a microwave with the mayonnaise on it. I mean, come on. They don't believe me. They think that mayonnaise, once you open, it will last forever. It doesn't have to be refrigerated. So, if you want to stay alive, stay away from those sandwiches, bro. I mean, do whatever you want, you know. But I don't know. What do I know? I'm just a guy on YouTube. It's good to observe around you because, you know, there's a lot of weird, funny things. And, well, whatever it is, man, stay safe, have fun. And if you like this kind of content, my name is Bodo, and I hope to see you next time. Peace.